Have you ever wondered what makes you, you? Imagine if you could build an entire human being from scratch, using nothing but a set of instructions written in a special code. That code exists inside every single cell of your body, shaping who you are, determining how you look, how your body functions, and even some aspects of your personality. This incredible instruction manual is called DNA, and it is the foundation of all life on Earth. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is a molecule found inside nearly every cell of living organisms. It carries the genetic instructions needed for growth, development, functioning, and reproduction. It is shaped like a twisted ladder, a structure known as a double helix, made up of two long strands connected by pairs of tiny chemical building blocks. These building blocks are called nucleotides, and they come in four types: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, often abbreviated as A, T, C, and G. These pairs always match up in a specific way. A pairs with T and C pairs with G, forming the rungs of the DNA ladder. The order in which these letters appear forms a unique code, much like how different arrangements of letters create different words and sentences in a language. Each cell in your body contains a complete set of DNA, tightly packed into structures called chromosomes. Humans have 46 chromosomes, 23 inherited from each parent. These chromosomes contain genes, which are specific segments of DNA that provide instructions for making proteins. Proteins are the molecules that do most of the work in our bodies. They help build and repair tissues, produce enzymes that break down food, transport oxygen in the blood, and even help fight off infections. In short, proteins are essential to life, and DNA is the blueprint that tells cells how to make them. The process by which DNA works begins with transcription. Inside the nucleus of a cell, the DNA molecule unwinds, and a special enzyme called RNA polymerase reads the genetic code. Instead of copying it exactly, the enzyme creates a new molecule called messenger RNA, mRNA, which is like a temporary copy of the instructions. This mRNA then leaves the nucleus and travels to a structure in the cell called a ribosome, where the next step, translation, takes place. In translation, the ribosome reads the mRNA sequence and assembles the corresponding amino acids to build a protein. Each set of 3 nucleotides in the mRNA, called a codon, corresponds to a specific amino acid. This precise assembly line ensures that the right proteins are made for the body to function properly. But DNA does more than just make proteins. It also determines traits like eye color, hair type, and height. These traits are inherited from parents because DNA is passed from one generation to the next. When a sperm cell from the father and an egg cell from the mother combine, they each contribute half of the chromosomes needed to form a complete set. This mixing of DNA is what creates genetic variation, making each person unique. Sometimes changes occur in the DNA sequence. These changes, called mutations, can happen naturally or be caused by environmental factors like radiation or harmful chemicals. While some mutations have no effect, others can lead to genetic disorders or increase the risk of diseases like cancer. However, mutations also play a crucial role in evolution. Over long periods of time, beneficial mutations can help organisms adapt to their environment, leading to the diversity of life we see today. Scientists have made incredible discoveries about DNA, leading to advancements in medicine, forensic science, and even gene editing technologies. For instance, DNA fingerprinting has revolutionized crime investigations, helping law enforcement identify suspects and solve cases with remarkable accuracy. One of the most groundbreaking developments is CRISPR, a tool that allows scientists to precisely edit genes, offering the potential to cure genetic diseases in the future. DNA is a marvel of nature, holding the secrets of life in a microscopic code. It determines what makes each of us unique, while also connecting us to all living things. The more we learn about it, the better we understand ourselves and the vast, intricate web of life that exists on our planet.
Got a question about how something really works? Drop it in the comments and we might cover your topic in our next video.